Hello friends. Hello friends. Today we are going to learn how to make purchase entry in Tally Prime with GST 18%. Purchase entry GST 18% scenario. You purchased 10 computer monitors at the rate 10,000 rupees each plus GST 18% from ABC Electronics. What you have to do first, here they were purchased 10 computer monitors at the rate of 10,000 rupees plus GST 18% from ABC Electronics. He is a supplier. For that, what you have to do, we learn first theory first we have to create the ledger setup. You have to make the ledger setup. First you have to create the ABC Electronics under the sundry creditors. Sundry creditors we have to create as a GST registered, they were telling. And next we have to make the ledger creation, purchase ledger, purchase at the rate 18% under purchase accounts, GST applicable. Next you have to create the two ledgers, that is SGST 9%, CGST 9%. Here voucher type F9 you have to press. Enter example, supplier ABC Electronics, purchase at the rate 18%, purchase SGST CGST 9%. You have to make entry. First we'll open a Tally Prime and we'll create on company, click on create, click on change company, click on create company, ABC Electronics. I'll select a state as a Karnataka. Here it is very important, maintain accounts. Yes, you have to press. Enable bill wise entry, press yes. Maintain inventory, yes. Integrate accounts with inventory, yes. And enable goods and service tax GST, this should also be yes. Here regular type is regular. There are two types registration type, one is composition and another one is regular. We are selecting regular. GST number I will put, just you can put anything. Here we are periodicity of GSTR1 is monthly, so I will select monthly. Here press yes. Set or alter GST rate details, press yes. Here select taxable. Here 18% select. Go on entering yes. Yes, the company has been successfully created. Now we will press escape, come out. Now we'll press. We can create in both two ways. We can first create ledgers, afterwards we can make a voucher entry, or we can directly go to voucher entry and we can also create from there only. First we will click on create ledger, ABC Electronics, sundry creditor, purchase ledger, purchase account, under purchase accounts, press yes here, select taxable, purchase taxable 18%. Here select goods. If you wanted to select service also, it's okay. Now yes, GST, duties and taxes, GST, sale tax, give 9%. Just a minute, I'll press no because I have to type here purchase 9%. Yes, GST. Purchase GST 9%, GST, CGST. Now we are created successfully all the ledgers. So now I will one more thing we have to create here from here also. Go to create here, create a stock item. Here what they are purchasing, monitors. Here primary same as it is, create a unit, numbers, you have to create the unit. Go to voucher, click on purchase, first type the invoice number 1, party ABC Electronics, purchase account, purchase ledger is purchase account. Now press a spacebar to appear the stock of items, select monitors, type quantity, how much quantity they were purchased, 10 monitors at the rate of 10,000 rupees, it becomes 1 lakh rupees. Now come down, now select SGST, select CGST, it is asking for the provide GST e-way bill, because if your bill is above 50,000 rupees, it will ask for the e-way bill. I will press no here. Total amount is 1,18,000 rupees we have now purchased. Likewise, you have to make the purchase entry in Tally Prime. This is the one way of creating. First, what we have did, we have created narration if you wanted to give, you can give, else it's okay. First, what we have did, we have created the ledgers. What are the ledgers required? After that, we have made a voucher entry. Likewise, you can directly create in vouchers also. Next class, we will see how to make sales entry and how to make entry from directly from the voucher window. Thank you, one and all.